How to delete messages on Messenger. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to delete messages on Messenger. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Messenger app on your device. Log into your account. Now, here are different ways to delete your messages on Messenger. First of all, simply you can delete your entire conversation on Messenger. For that, you have to tap and hold the particular chat or conversation and tap the delete button. And tap delete. This will delete your entire conversation with fire, not just resend end-to-end encrypted messages. Also, to delete a particular message, you can simply open a particular chat, tap and hold the message and select three dots at bottom right corner, tap on remove button, and then you can unsend for you or unsend for everyone. If you tap unsend for everyone, it will be deleted from both sides. So tap OK button and the message will be deleted automatically. So that is how we delete messages on Messenger. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.